So I've been having a problem with the lawnmower, and I thought it was my spark plug all the time. It wouldn't start after I've been running it for a while. Got a little warm. But what I come to find out is, you hold this handle down to make it run. And when it gets hotter, this little piece right here that it squeezes up is losing the tension that it has on it, so that it's not pulling back. So what I ended up doing was bending this back this way just a little bit. So now it was right at the edge of starting and not starting, and now every time I pull the thing, it starts up. So I didn't find a video out there. I wanted to post it. Hope this helps somebody with their lawnmower problem.